Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn about the routers. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install the Vue router. So let's go and copy this and install this package first. Okay, done. Next step would be create a router folder and add index.js. So you have to create the router. So here first we check, is there any router? No. Okay, so in the source we will create a folder name router. Okay, in the router we have to create a index.js file. Index.js, then this is the code. So into just copy and paste this and export this default router. Okay, so here what we are doing, so here we have a home component, then we have a about, then here we have the routes, okay, path, name and the component. Okay, and here we have a create router history, routes, export, default router. Okay, so here we have to create the we are using, here we have the components, right? So let's create the views. So here we have to create the home.view. So whether you go with the components inside view folders, component inside the views folder, so you can go with the components also. So I will going to create the home.view. What it says, this is our home view. Okay, and this is our about view. Okay, we have to create a new file again here, about view. Just add the code over here. So here we have the code of home and about. Okay, next we have a main.js file. So here we have to import that router configuration. Make sure you have to import this one, your main.js file. So let's open the main.js file. So here we have the main.js file. Let's try to import this. Okay, and here we have the full-fledged routing part here. Okay, so make sure the path is correct. Now we have to use the router in your app with the help of this app.use router. So here we will use, we will directly use this one, const app this create app and then router. Okay, this part is done. Now we have to link that part. So in the app.view we will paste this logic. Okay, so here we have the app.view, this is one. Let's copy paste this, and this is, we have the home link and this is about link, this is router link. Okay, and these are the router views. Okay, router link basically creates the links to navigate between the different routes. Router view is the component where the routed components will be rendered. Okay, make sure of that one. Everything is done. Let's try to run this. Cannot resolve. Okay, so there is an issue in the views part. So here we have the main.js, not app view, main routers. So you have to go to the router section. So here we have a components, then we go with the router, then index. So here we have to go with the components, then it's home, then same thing is go with this one, components, about, save. Done. Let's open link. And here you can see that by default route is home. When click on the about, you will go with about, then home, then about. Right? You can see the links are working perfectly. Okay, this is called the routing and the navigation, where you can go switch from one page to another one. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.